What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online as a broke teenager. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And sometime this month, 2 people is going to win free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. So, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can stop being broke. Okay, teenager? Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. Name of this website is Fusion Cash. Now, I've never talked about this website before. So this is a new website, you guys, that you need to jump on this. So they have a lot of ways you can make money on here. So once you come here, you'll be able to sign up here. Just click where it says need an account. You'll be able to sign up. And once you'll be able to sign up, you'll be able to go into your account. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and log into my account so I can show you all the ways you can make money and also show you some tips you need to follow so you can make as much money as you can. So let me go ahead and log in right now. All right, I'm in my account, and as you can see here, they have a lot of ways you can make money on this site. So you got paid to sign up, you got videos you can watch, paid to click, and you have other tasks, and you have refer friends. Also, they have a few other things here. So they have sign up for a daily cash email and get $2. Try great offers from my friends at at trial pay. You get 10 cents on that. Form posting bonus, $3. You get $3 a month on that. Follow us on Twitter, you get 25 cents. Submit proof of payment, you get $1. Participate in the twice weekly form bonus promotions. That's $1 to 10 cents. So this site offers a lot of things you can do to make money on here. So let's just go to pay to sign up. As you can see, you get $5 when you just sign up here. It's going to take you to a website. You'll be able to sign up there. And here's one other one you can sign up. You get $1, Mercury magazines. Another $5 right here. So Gamefly, the best way to rent and buy movies, get video games rentals delivered to your door for $15 a month. But you can sign up, but you don't have to actually accept it. You just sign up. But if you're into games, you want to get into that, that's fine. So they have all this to offer right here where you can get paid just signing up. And they also have videos you can watch. So you can earn 2 cents watching the video here. Let's go ahead and click on one of them. Okay, so this is going to pop up. And all you have to do is just look at it for a few minutes. Don't have to sign up for nothing. And you collect some money just for looking at this site here. So, they have plenty others on here you can check out and make some money. All right, let's go to pay to click. So pay to click. When you click anywhere where it's highlighted at, you're going to get paid every time you click on one of these. So that's how that works. Now, they have some instructions over here. You have visit page today, visit so many pages, today. You have to visit 4 content pages for a total of 2.5 minutes to qualify. So you got to visit these pages for 2.5 minutes and you'll be able to qualify and you'll be able to make some money. As you can see here are the steps. Step 1, visit 4 different pages. Step 2, click a sponsored advertisement. Step 3, redeem your 15 cents reward. Simple as that, guys. Okay, so I went ahead and went to mobile tablet and you get $4 right here. And what it says here is, got a smartphone, get rewarded, receive cash, and a chance to win a 40-inch LCD TV just for joining. So you can join this right here and get $4. And same thing with here, join AppFly. Go to that site, join. Well, here's the requirements: download, install, and open app. If you uninstall, credit may be revoked. So you have to install it, but you can't uninstall it, or you won't get the credit and get the money. And here's one other thing. You can refer friends. You just get this link right here. They got a short version of the link. And you just share it. And when people click on it and join, you're going to get paid for just referring. So guys, there's a lot of ways you can make money on here. All right, now let me go to back to videos. And when you come here, you need to read these tips. It says in order to be credited, you must watch the entire video, start to finish in one sitting. So you need to watch the entire video. So when you come on here and log into your account, make sure you read these tips and follow instructions, because we don't want you to miss out on any money on this site. Now, as far as referring friends, if you want to refer friends, you can go to Facebook. Let me go there. And you can you can search for how to make money online and look for groups. And like this group here, Money Makers, join that group. And Money Making Now, join that group. Join all these groups and engage in the group. Talk about making money, and then share with them this website. And you can type in your link and watch the money start rolling in when they sign up for their website. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm saying about this website. This is a real cool website. You should go ahead and get on this now. It's not a new website, but that many people don't talk about it. I haven't heard that much about it. So This is your time, guys, to get on a good website and start making some money fast. So go ahead and go to fusioncash.net. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Now, before you go, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, the special bonus is right down in the description below. Scroll where it says Onlyfans. It's also in the comments below. Now, this is my Onlyfans account, and on this account, I'm going to show you step by step and help you along your way on how to make money on autopilot, passive money in your sleep. And I have a free program. I have a program that's free. I'm going to give it away on there. It costs $8.99, but it's going to be free on my OnlyFans account. I have other information I'm going to share with you on making money online. And I'm going to be able to coach you and teach you from step 1 all the way to step 7, because I have 7 steps. I'm going to show you how to get this money online and have it automatically into your bank account on a monthly basis. So join my OnlyFans account and let me show you how you can start making this money. All right, guys, that's it. Before you leave, hit that like button for me and help me to get 100 likes. It's really going to help me out. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website that I talked about today in this video. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. Plus, I'm trying to get to 4,000 subscribers. So if you could share this everywhere with everybody, and if I'm able to get more subscribers and get to 4,000, 2 people gonna win some free money, and I want to get it this month, in the month of August. So come on, guys, let's get there. My hand is itching to give away this free money. All right, guys, thanks. One more thing, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. Keep watching, and I'm going to keep dropping this content. And one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind.